In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Utorrent download speed. We will walk through a few key settings and habits that can make a noticeable difference without adding anything unnecessary or risky. Follow along in your own client, and by the end, your downloads should feel a lot snappier. First, let's tune your bandwidth so your connection doesn't choke. Open Options, then Preferences, and go to the Bandwidth tab. Set the maximum upload rate to a modest 10 to 15 kb per second econd. This might sound low, but uploading too aggressively can crowd out your download bandwidth and slow everything to a crawl. Next, set the maximum download rate to 0, which tells Utorrent not to limit your download speed. Now increase your connection ceilings. Set the global maximum number of connections to 2329, and the maximum number of connected peers per torrent to 257. These values let your client discover and talk to more peers without overwhelming most home connections. If you are grabbing several files at once, make your priority crystal clear. Right-click the torrent you care about most. Choose Bandwidth Allocation, and select High. If that torrent is a folder with multiple items, visit the Files tab and uncheck anything you don't actually need, like extra text notes or sample clips. Skipping unneeded pieces reduces disk activity and focuses your bandwidth where it matters. Next, enable protocol encryption to help avoid intentional slowdowns by some networks. Go to Options, Preferences, then BitTorrent. Find Protocol Encryption and change it from disabled to enabled. This encrypts outgoing BitTorrent traffic, which can reduce throttling on certain providers and routes. To expand your peer pool, optimize trackers and your incoming port. Right-click the downloading torrent and open Properties. In the Trackers box, paste a fresh, reliable list of active public trackers you trust. This can connect you to more peers and seeds, often boosting speed. Then head to Preferences, Connections, and change the port used for incoming connections to something less common. A non-default port can help bypass restrictive router or ISP behaviors that quietly limit your traffic. Finally, make sure security tools aren't getting in the way. Open your antivirus or Windows security, go to Virus and Threat Protection settings, and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Add both your Utorrent installation folder and your Downloads folder. This prevents overzealous scanning from slowing disk writes and network activity. That's it. Thanks for watching.